All right, everybody, we've got 2 boxes here from my pal Yanks16. Come on. He's got 2 boxes of 2013 Bowman Draft. So let's see what we can get him here. We've had some just craziness come out of these breaks tonight. I hit this Mike Trout laundry tag that I still don't believe I hit that card. That's how awesome it was. And then we've got a red refractor Manny Machado in another break, and a green refractor auto of Austin Meadows in another break. So it's just been crazy good. All right, Yanks, here you go, buddy. Jake Sweeney refractor. You got a blue Tyler Vale and a Puig. The Puig's probably better than the Vale, but blue refractor Tyler Vale, 13 out of 99. Cole Stewart refractor. Cato refractor. That's a good card for the Yankees. Orange paper Brian Hudson. Hey, that's actually a nice card. Reese McGuire. Nice hit. Reese McGuire for the Pittsburgh Pirates. 14th overall draft pick, Reese McGuire. Trevor Williams. Aaron Judge, another good Yankees card. Dylan Bundy, Silver Ice. Robert Kaminsky refractor. Josh Hart. Jonah Heim. Blake Taylor refractor. Steven Gonsalves. Taiwan Walker. Travis Ott. Mini Jed Jerko. Colin Moran. Braden Shipley. Brian Navarreto. Todd Helton. Manny Machado. Evan Gattis refractor. We got a blue Matt Harvey mini. Blue Matt Harvey. Little bonus hit to 250. 29 of 250. Teddy Stankiewicz. Tyler Brocious, blue paper. Uh-oh. Little old Stifler's mom. Ian Stifler printing plate. Now, I did hit the superfractor of this card, so that's the second 1 of 1 of Stifler's mom I've hit. And Ben doesn't have sound, so let's tell him who it is. Royals, what's up, Royals? You missed some big hits tonight, Royals. Aaron Sanchez mini. Yeah. Ty Hensley. What a classic. Nick Franklin. That's a good hit. Hunter Dozier. Hunter Dozier. You hit two good guys. 8th overall pick on the Dozier. Really nice auto on that card, too. Joey Gallo. Well, that lets you know our prospective ages, Chicago, because when I watched it, I was like, damn, that was me 10 years ago. I haven't really broke much lately. I mean, I did that 10 cases of National Treasures that was awesome. And then I did the breaks tonight, which have been awesome. Apel and Jonathan Gray. Uh-oh, little old something something. Raymond Fuentes. 34 of 99. You got a lot of little bonus hits in here. You know, the plate and the mini and the... the relic. Christian Yelich mini. I know, right? Tommy Malone. Yeah, I'm thinking about it. I know I like these 10 case formats. So I think I'm gonna do 10 cases of pretty much all the National Treasures from now on, because Tony Cingrani. I mean, if we can fill football in a bad year, think what we're going to be able to do with basketball. We'll be able to fill those. We'll probably end up doing 5 or 6 of those. Matt Kemp. Matt Kemp. Travis Demeritt. Chrome? I don't know, maybe 50. Probably 50 of Chrome. I'll probably do 50 Chrome, and I'll probably do 100 draft, you know? All right, bud, here's a recap. You got Stifler's mom printing plate. The Fuentes. Hunter Dozier, which is a good auto. Matt Harvey. Reese McGuire refractor auto. And the Tyler Vale blue. All right, bud.